Look at that little face. Yep, he looks like he's in trouble. Because he is. He always is. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today's video, I am participating in a collab that is being hosted by the lovely Angela over at Angela's Hangout and her friend Carol over at Inspiredby. And what they have asked us to do for this collaboration is to do a Valentine's themed like bar cart or shelf unit or DIY or something that has a Valentine's theme to it that is home decor. So if you are new to my channel, you should probably be aware that I am known for being a little obsessed, okay, maybe a lot obsessed with cake plates. Yes, cake stands. I have one for pretty much every occasion. However, I don't normally decorate for Valentine's Day. So I took this opportunity to sneak a Valentine's themed cake plate into the rest of my collection. So the items that I'm going to be using, the majority of them came from the Dollar Tree. Starting with this beautiful glass red vase that I ended up picking up way back in the summer. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but now here's an opportunity. This glass plate. It is just a clear, no decoration on it glass plate. The Dollar Tree carried these a long time ago, so I've had it for a little bit of a while, but I do know that they do have a clear glass plate that has some decoration on it. You could use that or a charger. Ribbon. This is some decorative Valentine's kind of theme ribbon. It says Be Mine and Love on it. And I had this left over from last year. I didn't even pick up any ribbon this year, but I know they had several different choices there. Some faux florals. I picked these up also a while back from Dollar Tree. I think I'm going to add some white ones to this too. I'm not sure. We'll see what I come up with. Plus, I do have other things in my stash, so who knows what'll end up on this cake plate. Okay, I also went into my stash and found some glimmer strings, which are basically fairy lights. I have several different sets of these. I actually got these free over the summertime when I went to Pier 1. So I was thinking, because the vase you can see through, would be really cool if we lit it up. So that is the first thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to open these and put these inside of the vase. And then after that, we're going to glue down our cake plate with our handy dandy glue gun and some glue sticks. We're going to take our florals and we are going to decorate the underneath of our cake plate. So we're going to turn it upside down to make it just a little bit easier on us. And we're going to start over where the controller is for the lights so we can conceal that properly. Okay loves, here is my final project, and I have to tell you, I know it looks quite outrageous, but I really like how it turned out. I used a ton of roses in different sizes in white, light pink, fuchsia, and red to go around this entire plate on the top. And I did use the clear plate. However, I've placed a white plate on top of it to showcase off my yummy treats here because I'm using it to display food. But you could use this for home decor and display something else on the top. And if I had to do it over again, I'd go ahead and use the white plate to glue all the roses down to. I was worried at first that the plate might show through, but as you can see, you cannot see the plate underneath at all through the roses. So that was kind of an unnecessary step. Also, I love how it lights up at the bottom with my fairy lights. You can easily get to the control for that underneath the plate. So yeah, this is my take on a Valentine's DIY display, and I'm hoping this counts for what Angela and Carol were thinking. So I want to thank them for including me in this collab. I will link both of their channels down below along with the playlist once they have it available for this DIY or Valentine's inspired home decor collab, I guess is what it is. Also, I want to thank you guys for watching, for liking and sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do DIYs on the regular. We have a lot of fun here. I also do shop with me's. I do haul videos and thrifting. Who knows what will show up on this channel. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here, and I will be taking a picture of this to show it off over there. So that's it, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, loves. This one's the good one. Isn't that right, Dozy? I think he's done with it.